Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have my first update for Painting Revolution. This is a project that was created by me, and it's all about getting use out of Makeup Revolution products under all of their 392 brands, including BH Cosmetics. We started this last month on June 12th. It goes through June 11th of 2024. 3 to 6 products rolling. You set your own goals. So I have a couple of things that are have progress and one thing that's rolling out. So let's start with the first one. This is the concealer. This is the XX Revolution concealer. I'm actually wearing it today. It's really pretty. I really like it. I only have 5 uses on this and it didn't go down in weight, but this is a really pretty concealer and it has one of those ballet slipper doe foots. It's really pretty. So if you are someone who's mature and dry skin and you don't like to set your concealer, this is gorgeous. Sets itself down. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next, blush. So I mentioned that I was going to try to get use out of all of my liquid and cream blushes from Makeup Revolution. So this is one from their watermelon collection. Don't ask me the name. I don't know. But I set a goal of using 1 gram of this, and I've actually used 2 grams. So this started its life at 20 grams. We're now at 18 grams. I used this 4 times. I think I used it a little bit more than that. I don't think my numbers are right because I know I wore makeup more than that in the last month, but my numbers are all over the place. But yeah, so this shade is gorgeous, but this shade will stain you. Now it hasn't like stained my face, but if you put it, like I put it on the back of my hand and then dab it on, it 100% stains my hand every single time. So yeah, this is going back, and in its place I'm bringing in this one. So this is one of their super dewy blushes, and again my goal is going to be to use 1 gram, so I will weigh this and then we will track it that way. This color, is this color on? I can't remember if I put some of this on or not. This is an interesting color because it's a very cool toned pink, and you would think that it was going to be kind of more pastel. Maybe it is pastel, but to me it looks pretty vibrant. So yeah, anyway, goal is to use 1 gram of that, and again I will track that and we will keep an eye on it. Next I brought in this. This is the ceramide primer from them. I think this is an airless pump, so I'll mark where we are. I've only used this 3 times, but this is lovely. I think I saw a short or a reel or something of Toddy talking about this primer. It's really nice. I like it. If you're someone with dry skin, it's beautiful. My goal is to finish this, and we've only used it 3 times. And like I said, I believe this is an airless pump and we're going up. So I will mark this, but this was brand new when we started. Last but not least, I brought in this. This is a highlighter that I frankened a couple of years ago. They had a 24 karat gold highlighter set. It was 4 baked highlighters, and I put the more bronzy one in a lotion and turned myself red. And then I frankened the other 3 together, and I've just kind of been poking along with this. My goal is just to use this, I think. I don't remember what I said my goal was. But I've only used it 4 times, so it didn't go down in weight. But it's a really pretty shade. It's so pretty. The perfect kind of champagne-y pink. So it's not a hindrance to wear. I'm just working on 3 or 4 of them at the same time. And yeah. So that's it. That was the first update for Painting Revolution. You have plenty of time to jump on this one. And it's anything under the Makeup Revolution umbrella, including BH Cosmetics. So 3 to 6 products, set your own goal. So you can do finish goals, you can do usage goals like I am. Once I've made my way all the way through my cream and liquid blushes from Revolution, I will probably go back and like pick one to start trying to finish, etc. So yeah, next update, I should have the blush, hopefully, fingers crossed. Hopefully I'll have more uses on the primer. And I'm also planning one in 50 Shades of Yellow from Revolution, and they don't play well together, so I'm gonna have to do one or the other. But other than that, that's it. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you made it this far, leave the watermelon emoji. I think there's a watermelon emoji. You guys, I have been eating watermelon like it's going out of style. Every time Rob goes to Tom Thumb or whatever, he's like, do you want do you want it like ice cream or something? I'm like, no, I would like watermelon. Like, I want watermelon. Give me all the watermelon. I loves it. But yeah, anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do love you. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty. I hope you have a good day, night, week, and wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.